Oh, okay, I see it.
California Men's Colony.
You should go into California Zeppelin.
Oh, is that the curve
You
he's
do
doing
that.
right
You do that really.
there?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at it. That's the curve he's doing.
Oh, so we make that and go down.
Let's
go down into it, yeah.
It's called the Gold Creek because it used to be a southern called Gold Creek here.
Wow. Okay. That's kind of what that place is over there.
It's a prison. California Men's Colony, San Jose.
Wow.
We already went past one big prison, which
Yeah.
is in Soledad.
No wonder that's what it was.
Yeah, but this train would go by San
I was gonna say, where's San Quentin?
Here we go. This is it.
Wow, look.
Got my double whammy pictures.
Did you get your picture?
Here's both ends.
Yeah. We're not on top of the train.
Wow.
We're all on the third train.
Yeah, it's kind of. No, but it touches there. Yeah. Well, see how tight it is? Look, it's like this.
When does the train come out?
Ladies and gentlemen, sleeping car accommodations, just like to remind everyone that at 3:30 we will be hosting a wine tasting in the parlor car for sleeping car passengers only over the age of 21. That will take place at 3:30. Pay attention to your clocks. I will start the wine tasting at 3:30 in the parlor car for sleeping car passengers only. Thank you.
Sounds good, and then I
Get your prison picture?
No.
You on a video?
You all right?
Is that what you did, a video?
I don't want you.